I know. Waiting for our curry at this cute curry shop. And they have beans, maybe this is a dal or something, fish, chicken, a mix of both, fish chicken meals. It's just curry, but these are the meals. Probably this is a thali. Yeah, and all the yummy stuff. I got 24-hour corn landly. Checking out the art installation again because it's a holiday. It's the Emperor's Enthronement Day. So let's check out this one. And this is called the ANA tube. So you can touch it, you can play in it. And that was the artwork down there, and now we are going up to the Tenjin Cultural Plaza. Check this out, this is so cool. Look at this. Yep, I made it. And this is the exit. It was pretty fun. I don't know if you can tell, but I walked from there, went through the tunnel, down and up again, and the exit was there. It was pretty fun. Bubbles, it's so cool. This is petrol. So cool. Basement floor. So weird. This is all scattered animal bones. Sorry. And those were the two artworks in the Tenjin Cultural Plaza, and I'm going to the art museum right next to it, and there are more artworks to see there. That was so weird though, like scattering animal bones. It was weird. I felt sorry for walking on that thing. on to the next venue, which is the Orient Art Museum. No photos allowed in there. There were supposed to be like 2 artworks, but I could only find one. And I can tell like the other people, or like they kind of lost it. It's like, where's the other one? Anyway, whatever. It was nice. Anyway, just got home. And yeah, I didn't tell you that today is the Emperor's enthronement ceremony day, so that's why it's a holiday. Yay! So it's a 2-day holiday for me because it was a game day on Sunday, and the next day is usually a holiday, and then here we are, we have another public holiday. But I just got back from the Art Summit. I just saw a few artworks, and I would have to say the one at Tenjin Plaza was a lot more interesting. The one at the Orient Museum, Art Museum, it was... I couldn't find one by this guy called Ryan, I forgot his name, Ryan something. And there's one by Paul Chan or something. I was inside, I found it. Yeah, but I couldn't find the other one. But anyway, got home just in time for the enthronement ceremony. This is like a, I mean, you're very lucky if you can actually see this. If you're alive to actually see this, this is really rare. This is one of the ceremonies. I think they're gonna have like a parade next month, and I think there's a few more things. Yeah, but anyway, it's on TV. I'm gonna watch it because this is a like once in a lifetime thing. Here she is, the Empress. Update about my boy. He's getting bigger and fluffier. Look at that. Moogie! Just went to the toilet. He's so fluffy. He's so fluffy. I have to brush him like every 2 days. So. He's so cute though.